that time again, besties. Spooky season is finally upon us. My name is Katya, and today I'm going to be blessing you with some fire Halloween costume ideas. We have a great collection of movie and cartoon characters, both animated and not. So without further ado, let's begin. First up, we have Misa Amane from one of the most well-known and one of my favorite anime series, Death Note. Miss Girl wears an all-black goth GF type look. The main piece in her outfit is this faux leather dress, and she pairs it with some lace thigh-high socks and garters, some black combat boots, a lace arm warmers or gloves, a black choker, and a silver cross necklace. A blonde wig is optional, but if you decide to skip the wig, I still recommend putting your hair up in half-up pigtails because that is an integral part of Misa's character design. You also have the option to carry a Death Note, which would just be a black notebook, or an apple, which is what I chose to do in this case. Even though I didn't have the exact dress Misa wears, I still tried to copy her look as closely as I could with this black corset top and tennis skirt. The top has a similar neckline and lace-up detail to Misa's dress. I love the lace accessories. I feel like they balance the grunge energy of the look quite well. You could even incorporate this material with some tights or a cardigan if that's more up your alley. The garters aren't necessary for this costume, but I added these heart ones for accuracy. Make sure you don't forget the black choker, but you can replace the cross necklace with silver chains as she does wear them in some of her outfit variations. I have some sort of gravitation towards Scooby-Doo costumes, even though I didn't really watch it that much as a kid. There's just something about the color scheme and 70s energy that makes me want to try on every character's outfit. So our next costume is based on Shaggy, who has a very simple look. This costume consists of a green shirt, some brown pants, and some black boots. You also have the option to wear a light brown wig. I wore my frilly green cardigan just to make the look more my own, but any green shirt or crop top will do. I styled it with my brown corduroy flares, but you could even wear burgundy ones because Shaggy is depicted in pants of both colors. As for the boots, I went with my Doc Martens, and since I didn't have the wig to complete the look, I went for some green and brown barrettes instead. I already featured Poof and Vicky from the Fairly OddParents in my last Halloween costumes video, but this time I wanted to give the spotlight to the character who, in my opinion, is the most fashionable in the show, and that is Trixie Tang. Her costume consists of a pinkish lavender turtleneck with a matching headband, a white skirt, some white knee-high boots, and an optional long black wig with bangs. For the top, I went with this lavender turtleneck. Trixie's has short sleeves, so you could wear a short sleeve lavender top instead as well, or you could just wear a long sleeve variation like mine and roll up the sleeves a bit. The bottom half of the look includes this white denim skirt, but I think a tennis skirt or any other white mini skirt would work just as well. For the shoes, I went with my simple white boots, but I think a go-go style boot would fit her aesthetic especially well. You can also wear some purple eyeshadow for a little bit of extra color coordination. Our next character is Jane Lane from Daria. The statement piece in her outfit is this red blazer. Underneath, she wears a black t-shirt with a white collar trim, some gray shorts and combat boots paired with black tights. You have the option to wear a short black wig, silver ear cuffs, and a brown backpack as well. Her top is a bit niche, so I incorporated the white collar with this button down, and I layered a black top over it. I also didn't have any gray shorts or boots, but since the bottom of Jane's outfit is depicted in a darker gray color scheme, I thought black would work just as well. The short and tights combo could be replaced with a mini skirt or even some pants. Unfortunately, my helix is not pierced and I don't have any silver ear cuffs, so I substituted those for these silver dagger earrings instead. I think they fit her character just as nicely. Since I didn't have a black wig, I just parted my hair over to one side like hers, and I think this is a great alternative if you don't want to wear a wig as well. The following costume takes inspiration from Philip J. Fry in Futurama, which has got to be one of my favorite adult animations of all time. Fry's outfit, much like Shaggy's, is pretty basic, so all you need is a white shirt, some blue jeans, a red bomber jacket, and some black sneakers. You also have the option to wear an orange wig and hold a green soda can. This is one outfit my hair is actually the perfect color for, so I didn't wear a wig this time, but I did wear this white crop top and I paired it with some wide leg blue jeans. Really any style of denim will do. The red bomber can even be switched out for a cardigan or a blazer. My shoes are black high top Converse, but I think any black sneaker style such as Vans or maybe even Air Force Ones could fit this look as well. I absolutely had to showcase the best movie franchise of all time, so our next costume is based on Princess Fiona from Shrek. The components of her outfit are a green velvet dress, a gold crown and belt, and some green flats. And you also have the option to wear a red wig. I wore this green over-the-shoulder velvet mini dress. It has long sleeves and a similar silhouette to Fiona's dress, but this could be replaced with any sort of green velvet matching set or even maxi dress. I wore some black flats because I didn't have any green ones, but I felt like these were the right amount of whimsical for Princess Fiona's look. I put on a ginger wig with bangs and I braided it, and I also added this crown headband. This could very easily be substituted for an actual gold tiara if you have one. Next up, we have the villain everyone loves to hate, Regina George from Mean Girls. This was actually one of my previous Halloween costumes, but I decided to revamp it a bit this year. Regina's outfit includes a pink cardigan, a white top with glitter lettering, a leather skirt or a pink tennis skirt, some black heels, and an optional blonde wig, monogram necklace, and pink mini bag. I'm wearing the top I bought specifically for this costume. It says a little bit dramatic, but if you don't have that, I think any top that's white and has text written on it with glitter will embody Regina's Y2K energy. My bottom is a leather skirt because that's what she wears in the movie, but in the promotional photo, she wears a pink tennis skirt with the same outfit, so you have the option to wear either one of those. I didn't have Regina's iconic monogram necklace, but you can absolutely replace this with any nameplate or just skip it altogether. Our next look is definitely the most simple out of all the costumes, and it is inspired by Miss Mia Wallace from Pulp Fiction. She wears a white button-down top, some black pants, and a nosebleed. You also have the option to layer a black lace bralette under the top and wear a black bob wig. Since this look is so simple, I tried to jazz it up a little bit by choosing this button-down that has black lace trimming on the inside. It matches the trim on the corset top I paired it with. I also added some black platform mules. Even though Mia is technically shoeless in this outfit, you can substitute these for pretty much any black or white shoe, though I'd stick with more formal silhouettes such as heels or loafers. I didn't have any fake blood, but the nosebleed is really what differentiates this outfit and makes it more of a costume, especially if you're not a brunette and you're choosing to forego the wig. I would definitely recommend adding the nosebleed. If you want more Halloween costume inspiration, I just dropped a Monster High lookbook, so I'll link it on the screen and you can go watch that next. I also have a playlist dedicated to spooky fashion, which includes a lot more Halloween costumes. I will also link that on the screen and in the description if you're interested. Otherwise, make sure you like this video, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!